I'm playing
now.
Animals. Oh. Hi, I'm Alexandra Barrios. I'm playing Animals with Taylor Willis, and now we are going to show you a My Little Kid version of how to make expressions of animals. So first I'm going to do a gorilla. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Next I'm going to go to monkeys. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. And then I do an owl. Ooh, he's staring at. Ooh. And then every time I jump on the hippopotamus, it goes. And I also want to visit me. I'm a jaguar, and he goes. Woof, 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 woof. And then the owls go. Ow, woo, woo. And then the other wolves go. And then I do gorilla, and again, and you know what? He goes like this. He eats something. He picks it up and he eats it. It's gross. And one more. The gorilla again. Boom, 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 boom. I'm Mike Dobos.